Hello everyone, welcome to today's unit. Today we will learn about likes and dislikes. To talk about likes and dislikes, we use the following verbs. We can use love, like or prefer, dislike, or hate, with a verb in ing form or a to plus infinitive. Let's see the following examples. You can say, I love going to the cinema, or I love to go to the cinema. You can't say, I love go to the cinema, because this is incorrect. Another example, you can say, they don't like washing the dishes, or they don't like to wash the dishes, but don't say, they don't like wash the dishes, because this is incorrect. The ing form is more common than the to infinitive form after hate and love. As you can see in the following examples, it's more common to say he hates going to concerts than he hates to go to concerts, but both are correct. It's more common to say, I hate decorating than I hate to decorate. But, as I said before, both options are correct. You can say, I love playing basketball because it's more common than I love to play basketball. But both are correct. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next unit. Bye bye.